Alright, this is the big yak. I bought a brass catcher for my Bushmaster AR-15. We're going to see how well it works. I'm going to put a couple rounds through it first, slow, see how it catches the brass. I'm going to do a little rapid fire and see how that works. So, here we go. Loaded. Safety on. As you can see, it caught the majority. A couple of them started when I did the rapid fire. Started misfeeding here. It might be just because it's new material and it's just not ready. So put it back on fire and just empty the clip. What am I shooting at though? That's the question. Well, actually, there's a can right here. That's empty. Alright. Did pretty good. Caught the majority. One or two slipped out, but it's better than catching 30 on the ground, catching one. Alright.